Muling dinayo ang mga isla ng Caramoan, Camarines Sur nitong weekend para sa ika-7 taong pagbabalik ng Open Water Swim na Swim Junket Challenge. Layunin na maaksyong aktibidad na maipakita ang benepisyo ng water swimming sa mga Pinoy at turista sa Pilipinas. Ayon sa founder at official coach ng Philippine National Open Water Swimming Team na si Betsy Cunisala Medalla.
Actually, anyone from the Philippines should be curious about open water swimming because we have so much access to coastal water. All you need is a suit and then you can swim na.
15K, 10K, 5K at ngayon dinagdagan pa ng 2 kilometer na distansya para sa mga bagong sasabak sa challenge. 6 na oras ang palugit para sa 15K, 5 oras naman sa 10 at 5K. Sa oras na 47 minutes at 35 seconds, unang narating ni Jusiara Zinesa ang finish line ng 2K women's category.
I didn't expect po na ako po yung mauuna since ang dami po kasing nasa harap ko that time.
Panalo rin ang kapwa niya Batanggenyo na si Don Derek sa men's category na aminadong kinabahan pero hindi pinanghinaan.
Sa una po medyo po kinabahan pero I kept my composure so I can go through it.
Si Manny Lobrego naman ng Darga Albay, pumang-apat pa rin sa 15K overall men's category at first sa 40 to 49 age category sa ika-4 na pagkakataong pagsali sa Swim Junkie sa kabila ng kanyang kapansanan.
Kailangan ko kasing maging active. Isang magandang training yung open water para laging malakas.
Agaw pansin din ang aso niyang si Blue na sinalubong siya matapos ang higit 4 na oras na paglangoy. Sa 216 na swimmers, pinakabata si Franco mula Manila na lumangoy ng 2K kasama ang kanyang ama naman sa 5K.
The current was strong but then you just have to get over it.
This is a father and son thing. This is the only time that we're enjoying the race together. And I'm happy that he was able to finish the race safely.
Pero hindi nagpahuli ang 72 anyos na Canadian national na si Gordon McLaughlin.
It was a great experience, wonderful experience. The day is perfect, the water is perfect, people around me that I swam with, good people.
Yung reason naman kasi namin kung ba't kami nagsiswim, it's really because we just want to have a balance sa buhay namin. Make sure that we are all happy. Yun naman yun, because swimming is fun.
Bukod sa maayos na kondukta ng aktibidad, bonus sa mga bisita ang ganda ng Gota Village Beach Resort, Lahos, Matukad at Hunungan Islands sa Caramoan.
We owe a lot to the province of Camarines Sur and the support of Governor Luigi and his team, everybody, including Edmero and the Coast Guard and the Navy. It's amazing. We're hoping to keep growing and keep up this trend of 30 to 50% increase every year, and we hope Caramoan grows with us as well so that more and more swimmers can be accommodated.
Jan Amador, CSN.